Good morning. Gotta pull up the chat. Pedro, good morning. RH, me. What's going on, guys? I think I'm about to get triggered in here. Maybe. All right, I am in. Pretty big range today. I'll target the high of the news. Slayer, what's going on, guys? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Okay, stream seems to be good. Make sure you guys watch the stream in 1440p if you can. Not looking good so far. Kind of got faked out there. Ooh, it's gonna be a quick loss maybe. Not giving up yet though. Plenty of room to the downside still. Just like that. Crazy. Crazy movement this morning. Am I back with 20 PAs? No, not yet. I do have some evals. 150k and a 50k eval going with this. So I'm just gonna try to pass them slowly. Well, now we just hang out. That's the beauty of this trade. There's no maintenance really. You just wait and see what happens. This is the first time I'm seeing it not go at all into my profit. So we'll see. It might just be one of those days. which is not bad because once it doesn't go in your profit, that means there's no trailing drawdown that's affecting you, right? So I prefer to lose this way, where it's like I'm just gonna lose, you know, whatever the risk is without adding additional drawdown. But hopefully after yesterday's insane move, this continues the momentum to the upside. Patience, patience, patience. Huge pop incoming. That's what I want to see. I want to retest the high of the news. The news was kind of lame. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go get my drink and some water too. Come on, 5-minute range is holding like a brick wall. Today's market is trash though. It's not going up. It is holding up. I'm gonna take this off because it's annoying me. It's gonna have an explosive move one way or the other. Actually, I wanted to check how it's doing on, like, maybe I could take you on another account on the ES. See, on the ES, it's breaking down, so ES would be short. So ES, no, actually ES would be long as well, but ES would have lost already. Seems like NK is gonna lose as well, though. See YM. Yeah, YM was short, but yeah, you can't really go, short and long at the same time on overall markets. That's pretty much hedging. Not looking pretty, guys. Not looking pretty. The momentum of yesterday is definitely not continuing. I really wanted this strategy to work for a few days before I took a loss. And it did, but unfortunately only on one account. And now I'm copy trading more accounts, and it seems like it's not going to work today. So it is what it is. I mean, gonna keep going with it. Just won't add more accounts to the copy trader for now. Just gonna stick with a couple, and then once they get to safety net, we'll reassess. Yeah, overall, there's so much room to the downside. Let's see, this happened what, 2 days ago? I almost got stopped out and then it went. But today's very weak. They tried to go higher, it just couldn't. So if this doesn't stop out, that's gonna be a miracle, to be honest. Like, I would not long this at all. There we go, stop out. All right, so lost $1,500. So that's basically get one more shot at it tomorrow. Unfortunate, but that's the way it goes. It won like 8 days in a row. The problem is I only took it on one account. So basically, hold on though. I could. This doesn't make a new low. I'll risk the low. No, it makes a new low. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna try to scalp the other accounts at least a little bit. A lot of progress just ruined, but just trying to figure it out. I'm all good. So yeah, losing like that, I don't care. I care about losing like I lost yesterday, at the very end. Very important to just make sure I get my full targets when it does win, because it's close to 1-to-1 risk to reward. So out of 10 days, I need to win 7 and lose 3, I think, something like that. Oh, bummer. First time taking a loss in this. Knew it was coming eventually, but of course I added more accounts today. And the 50K accounts are too small for this strategy, but whatever. Okay, so why did this lose? So I want to have some kind of idea why did this lose? Is it the 200 moving average? You took a huge loss? Yeah, I did too. Damn, this is gonna recover though. This is like yesterday's trade. Hopefully this traps here and goes lower. If this recovers, it's gonna be very painful. But I guess that's just the way a market goes. You received the funds? Let me see if I received my funds. I did. Wow. Wow, I got approved yesterday and then I got the funds today. To see if they want to send it quick, they can. So no, one trade a day is fine. Wow, this is gonna recover all the way back up. This is crazy. Mm, This is exactly what happened yesterday. Top tick, bottom tick. Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna start to scalp. Do I try to recover some of the profits on these accounts? Sucks because if I would have won today, that those accounts would be at payout, but a threshold, you know. It's always lately it's just been very inconsistent for me. Everything just goes backwards. Like I trade one account, it works. I trade 5 accounts, it doesn't work. Stuff like that. There's no traction. I'm just trying to keep my head up and keep going. Not easy. I was excited about this trade, and now I'm like, huh, this happens in the first trade of the account, then it doesn't help. All right, we're gonna scalp one account at a time. Locked in 20K with fast track, very nice. I would be blowing fast track, so I'm glad I don't have to worry about that for now. That would all be the same way I'm doing with Apex would be doing, I would be doing on fast track, so it doesn't really make a difference. JPS, I recommend you guys getting evals at nighttime. Everyone's been complaining about it the same in the morning versus at nighttime. There's no issues. So I don't know. I don't know what it is. Is it too many people getting evals or what? Whoa. All right, made back $200 on one account. I just want to have full risk tomorrow. Like usually the risk on the opening 5 minute is like between 1,000 to 1,500. So I just want to be able to do that without having to go to micros. That sucks. Only got a partial fill on that. That would have been nice. Choppy day, choppy day. But if the momentum stays strong, then should be able to recover some of the losses. I made back 500 on that account. I think I'm just gonna move on to another one. What a chop. It does not want to go anywhere. All right, at that, I'm just gonna keep this momentum. Yesterday, I loved the price action yesterday. I wish I stayed around longer. I still can't use a view up on QUANTOWER even though I'm trading on the paid PA account. You need paid QUANTOWER. It's $30 a month. With my code, it's 10% off. Kind of wish I was copy trading. Would have made back. Would have made back half the loss. I mean, losing 25K account with this sort of volatility is not really that big of a deal. It's 1500 drawdown, so it's really, it goes quick. So don't think it's just tilt. What is this gonna do? Such a delay in execution there. And that was a stuff. Damn. That was such a delay on that. So lucky. Yesterday was amazing. Yesterday killed a lot of people if they tried to short, which is what I love. But I was done early, so of course I missed it. But the trade I got stopped out from yesterday, at the end of the stream, the market never looked back. The market never looked back. My glasses are so dirty, I can't even see. Okay. These trades have a lot of risk too, T. And because I won on that trade 7 days in a row, or 8, yeah, 7 days, and I back tested it prior to that, it would have won pretty much for like 20, 30, 20 days at least. Close to 20 days in a row. And that's all I need for a payout. So it's $1,000 gain. So as long as I get the loss within $1,000 today, I have a chance tomorrow to make it back. No issues with copy trader. I'm not copy trading now, but at the open there was no issues. I feel like I missed this. This is a trap setup though. Is it not gonna continue? Oh, Pedro, that is something on your end. You definitely didn't do something right. Just double check everything. I thought you were talking about like real issues, like, you know. All right, we're gonna just move on to another account. I already traded this one. Try to, minimize the loss to the best of my ability, and then if the price action is good, then we could maybe get it back to break even or close. It just sucks that today was like one of the bigger risks. I think yesterday was like $1,200. Today was 15. Big range at the open. The opening range trade today was at 72 points range. You're a little bit nervous because you're trading 5 accounts. I remember that. Oh, missed it. RH, I don't want to trade continuation like that. That was the only time I've seen it lose before. So if if candle at 9:35 has continuation right away, I probably wouldn't take that. I want to see a pullback from the high of the 5-minute range, or like say it broke at 9:37, right? So 2 minutes after. But it's too simple of a strategy to work all the time. The point of it is to make it work enough to get payouts. It's gonna be much easier once we get the accounts over safety net. I've also taken off profit at like 500 on 2 accounts for 2 days instead of getting a full 1,000. That also affects me. A lot of chop, guys. Probably better off just putting orders out because it's hard to catch the move when it's like, let's see, when you leave the order out, then you have no time to react to. When you leave an order out and it just goes right through your order, you don't have time to like readjust. Versus if you're waiting for a level and you wait for it, you don't press the button until like, yeah, a lot of momentum to the upside overall, which is annoying. I mean, if this never broke the lows here, I would have been long again, and I would have risked the lows. But this was already too much here. But as long as we continue going up, I think I should be able to scalp this back. Yeah, let's do a pull on that. Damn. Ah, very, very frustrating. So close. My target was right here, 329. So it hurts, guys. It really hurts. I wonder if I should have taken it again. Oh, that's something I should have thought about. Taking it again on like one account just to see. JPS, what's your problem with Rhythmic? I haven't had Rhythmic issues in a long time. Mm, uh-oh. There she goes. Just no patience for the pullbacks. I have so much FOMO on these moves that keep chasing them. Because when I don't, it keeps going like I did yesterday, you know? That's the problem when you scalp individually. Look how easy this would have been. Just wait for the dip, buy the dip, and would have worked out just fine. It won't even let me get out. Tried to let a runner go because I was down quite a bit on this. Of course, didn't work. Punish yourself if you go out of your rule. I don't have rules for this, so it's like this is by feel. Like, see the momentum, it's going, like, there's a target. What an annoying day. Like, I got freaking stopped out just to see it go to target. Like, at least I hope I'm wrong completely, you know? All right. Annoying, but what are you gonna do? I wish I was copy trading, to be honest. If I was copy trading, we would be pretty much 5, 11, pretty much break even on the day if I copy traded. But I wish that in hindsight, of course. Imabu, congrats. It's awesome. I wish it never made new lows. If it just stayed right there, I would have been right back in. I would have freaking would have been incredible. But what are you gonna do? Hindsight is a I don't know. I don't really care. I just want to figure something out. The losses are, part of the game. It's just not the way I want to start my day. But that's how it's going to be when I lose, obviously. The problem, the overall problem is the fact that I did trade for, this is my 7th day trading or 8th day with this strategy. It won for 7 or 8 days, or for 6 or 7 days it won. And now I'm copy trading more accounts and now it loses. And that is the problem. If I copy traded all of these accounts from the first day, then already I have plenty of cushion in the accounts and it's not a problem, right? The problem is growing the cushion in the accounts. That's the hardest part. I think that's going to be my goal. Try to get cushion. Like this account right here is chilling, right? It's just the loss doesn't affect it. I'm not even going to make the loss back on this account today because I don't really care. This account, so this is the account I started the strategy with. This account was at $3,000 after payout. And now it's at 5,200 with the loss and with the payout. And it's still $2,000 more in profit. So after payout and after loss. Five-minute breakouts of the 15-minute opening range trade has an 80% win rate. That's something I would have to test and see. But now I'm thinking like, how do I avoid this? Why did this happen? Why did it break the range and win? Like, right? So I'm trying to think, how can I re-enter? How can I salvage this for the future? Because the trade almost worked, right? Got stopped out here, but almost went. This is what I was hoping for here. Let's see. So people still got video requests for September. If you got denied a payout, can you give us a reason why you got denied? I keep looking at this screen. I'm supposed to look at this screen. I was playing around with the lights yesterday, and I think I messed it all up. I don't think the lighting is properly set up right now. My desk is coming in tomorrow, so that'll be the start of the project. Yep, secret lab. Hold on, guys. I just got an email from my couple this weekend, and that's not good. Hold on. Oh, God. We can't set up till after? Are you kidding me? Talk about stress, guys. You think I'm stressing about my PA accounts? Our venue let us know that due to the aisle, all the DJ equipment would be in our photos. They said usually they have companies unload partially to have set up in the same room, just hidden. Hold on, guys. I'm doing an email. I'm so stressed now. How am I gonna do this? I have such a big setup on Saturday, and now the bride tells me we can't set up. The ceremony's gonna be in the same room. Whatever. I just told her I'll get back to her later. Okay. Yep, my September payout also hit the bank today. Now I just need to get bigger payouts because this 2750 payout is just not exciting. I don't know what I'm gonna do Saturday now. Is Bull Knocks down? Someone said. No. Nice Apex hoodie, thank you. Just gonna wait. The Apex hoodie is and by the way, Top Step still has a max daily loss on Rhythmic accounts. This is my favorite thing I got from Apex out of all the merch. I got a t-shirt, like a long sleeve one, and this hoodie, right? Yeah, I didn't take. There was a third one, and I never signed up for it, and it's gone now. I should have gotten another hoodie, especially now when it's gonna get colder. The hoodies are actually really good quality. When did I get the merch? When was it that how did you get it? Apex was giving merch to everyone that got payouts and the top affiliates. Or affiliates of some kind. I don't know exactly what was required for the affiliate, but I got it for both payouts and affiliate, but No, that's because I don't care. I feel like a young guy would care. Old guy wouldn't care about strings being offset. You want me to tie him too? Had to be in the top 100 of traders? I don't think so. Nah, my friend got $4,000 in payouts. He got a merch. Local friend. Damn. Unbelievable. I lose on the long side today. Are they still giving them? No. I never even claimed my third one, and it's gone now. Maybe they'll bring it back. This was a nice long here. Why wasn't I? I was doing the email, wasn't I? This is where I get in trouble, so I gotta be careful. Need one more trade on this account. I'll be in the $900 loss range. Which is what I want to be at. Whoa. Big rejection there. Oh, should have just hit the bid. Something's going on. That is not normal. That is not normal. That is not normal. I would have freaking banked because I didn't have a target set. Oh, I chase. See, that's why I get in trouble chasing. Nope, it won't go. That was a wild move. $100 in 1 minute. And I would have shorted. I just hit the ask and I didn't get filled. I would have shorted with no target. I don't know why I didn't have a target, but it would have taken me a second to realize I didn't have a target of 15 ticks, and I would have made back my loss. But why is it recovering? Is there like, what was this about? If this recovers, it's gonna be good. But talk about chop today. And volatility. Come on, dip. There we go. Oh man, what a move. But will there be a continuation or was that it? All right, I'm gonna move on from this account. Made $1,000 back on this account. I'll take that. Okay, we got one more account to make back the losses on. And gotta try to do it in this momentum. And then once I make, if I do make this account back to under 1,000, then I'm gonna move on to the accounts I haven't traded yet. And then if I make profits on those accounts and we still have time today, then I'll try to scalp a couple more times on these accounts that are down. But right now they're gonna be down 1R, which is one win. So hopefully tomorrow is that win. And we'll be right back on track. That's the biggest thing. Mark, I do copy trade. All the accounts I'm trading right now, I copy traded them at the open and I lost $1,500 per account. So I'm scalping them back. So I traded 5 accounts on Apex plus the Top Step account. Top Step is a max daily loss, so I can't trade it anymore. But it's crazy. I would have been back to green. But copy trading is difficult when things are not going well. It's just very high risk. That's why I'm only gonna stick to the 5 accounts for now. give this a longer test run and let's see how it works. I feel like this could just a rug pull. I definitely don't want to long it here yet. Once it reclaims up here, then yeah, but for now, I think this is too dangerous. Day trades, no, you just got to go to the settings and go to trading protection. And turn this off. Order limitation, turn this off. And you'll be good. You got it. Yep, it took me a while to figure that out as well. Turn the AC off. It's getting cold in here. Natural gas news? Really? Why would Nasdaq move that much? Now we're stuck. Yeah, unless it was some kind of extreme news, but oh, natural gas did spike up a lot. Is it always that clean on natural gas? Will we make new highs? I think so. So probably not. I think it's gonna fall apart at least to this range. We'll see. I mean, I don't see a little big bear. I mean, that's of course possible. I don't see I don't see why not. I mean, besides yesterday, the market's been pretty bad. But yesterday definitely caught a lot of people off guard with the squeeze. I mean, that was as strong of a squeeze as we've seen in a while. Like, it was probably hard to trade at end of day because you just thought there's no way it's gonna keep going. As the volatility slows down here, I'm gonna have to go back to 10 ticks. Right now, 15 ticks is still okay. Hmm. I'm glad I didn't get filled on that. Hopefully the candle closes before it makes a new high here. Is it not gonna continue? Come on. No, you want to. Wow. It did me dirty. There's 15 ticks everywhere. Oh, there's 15 ticks everywhere except when I chase. You could have just bought the dips 10 times already. All right. Blew that one. Be right back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Piece of shit. Why did I chase? Why did I chase? Could have won 15 ticks 20 times if I just didn't chase. Straight to funded account, Traderify. Thank you for that donation. I don't know if giving a streamer funded accounts is the best thing you could do, because then we get a lot of hate for streamer privilege, and then people say we get paid only because we're streamers. So I don't know if I want to do that, but good luck on the prop firm. And once there's consistent payouts, I will definitely give you guys a try. I'm redoing my setup. Just redoing my desk, redoing my laptop, my monitors, and my wall. My desk is coming in tomorrow, so I'm in just a different room. Why is this freaking happening to me lately, guys? Every day, I keep losing accounts on bottom ticks. All right. Let's focus. Let's focus here. This is gonna squeeze. Holy crap. What is with my luck? It's my fault. Obviously, I'm chasing, but the bottom tick, I mean, another account that was close to payout gone. I guess I gotta live off of $5,000 a month now in payouts, because I don't think I'm gonna get big payouts anymore. It seems impossible right now to get big payouts. I don't understand how I was getting 80,000. How was I able to consistently put in 20, 30 days of trading? I feel so defeated right now, guys. Base hits. I'm trying to go for base hits, and you see what's happening. I'm getting bottom ticked. Yeah, the market's changed. I mean, we didn't have volatility like this. That's for sure. I mean, I am getting, this is a small consolidation, right? And I'm getting stopped out for a max loss. Rose, but I'm doing the opening range trade right now too, and then it lost yesterday. Not yesterday, 2 days ago. I'm not sure. I'm not sure when was the last time I did like, I gotta just, I have quite a dilemma, right? Because I do love streaming, but it's right now and I love scalping, but right now it's just not working, right? So how do I improve? But why is it not working? Is it because the market sucks? Is it because I'm streaming? Or is it because I suck? It's because I suck. Why did I place the order there when all day I was buying the dips, right? I was buying the bid. Why did I all of a sudden place an order above whatever it was here to go long? Why? Instead of buying the dips. I would have bought all of these dips, would have won on every other trade except on that one I took. Traderify, I've never heard anyone getting payouts and stuff. So for me, I'm not gonna take on a new firm. I don't feel like, I don't want to focus on that right now. That's the wrong focus. For me, the focus is on trading. Lack of patience, one of the reasons for sure. No, I'm saying I suck at making these decisions very I need one trade a day. I think that's what makes most successful traders successful. One trade or two trades a day, I think, is like just having that one, punch that just gets you to where you need to be. For me, it's like I gotta take 100 trades to be where I want to be. So it's like it's fun and it's good when it works, but it just beats you up mentally. Wow, what a move! But I vent it out, and I that's why I love streaming. It doesn't put me on tilt. Like I used to go on tilt, right? I used to do crazy stuff. Like now I just when I take a big loss like that, I take a step back. I'm like, it wasn't that big of a loss, it was $1,000, but um basically I'm able to reflect, I'm able to talk with you guys, get yours, your opinion on this from the outside perspective. Outside perspective is always so different, right? I don't know. It's just nice to stream and be able to talk about it. A lot of people like to hide and get away when they lose. I like to vent out. I like to talk about it. I like to get my anger out. And instead of doing it with pressing more buttons, I'm able to talk about it and then I don't go on tilt as much, right? And that definitely helps. So I appreciate you guys. Today is very choppy. I wouldn't say it's dumping, it's just very choppy. Um, Asta, it's nice to say bad days happen, but I'm on my 2 months of bad things happening. I mean, I've only received 2750 last month. I've only received 2750 this month. I'm not used to that. That just shows I'm spending that much on evals and PA accounts, right? It just shows that, I mean, it makes me appreciate what I've done in the past more because it seemed very easy. I feel like I cracked the code and now I'm like back to square one. And this is with everything. Opening range trade is not working as well because again, it worked for 15 days. I took smaller size. It would have been to payout, but since I took smaller size, it didn't get me to payout, and then it lost, right? If I would have taken what I've used to take, which is 3 contracts, it would have been that payout with bull and ox. And that is the differences between success and failure for me is the proper sizing, proper account management with copy trader. For example, this strategy on the 5 minute today, it lost. Like I said before, it lost for the first time in 7 days. If I would have taken all the accounts or all the 4 or 5 accounts on that strategy for 7 days, it would have been up $5,000 roughly per account. And now this loss would not be a big deal. But now it's a big deal because the accounts are basically, brand new. So it's all like I wasn't copy trading, it worked. Started copy trading, it's not working. But hopefully tomorrow it works. You only need 5 points a day. It's exactly what you need. To 4. I'm gonna copy trade this account because I feel like I'm over trading when I'm trading one account. So Yeah, and then you see someone like Kane, you know, doing what they do, and you're just like, how on earth are they getting this right every single day? It's like, to make that kind of money, you have to have so much conviction. You have to be right, and um, and you got to do it for a long time. Boris, no, he doesn't. Not that I know of. I mean, for me, it's fine. I just keep chasing. It's always the chase that gets me, you know? It's because of this. This is the reason why I chase. Okay. See these candles? But this is the buy here, not up here. But I'm always waiting for the pullback. It doesn't want to come, doesn't want to come. As soon as I buy, it comes and it stops me out, takes me out like it did yesterday. And um and that's that. Right? This is yesterday's massive loss. Look, top tick, bottom tick. It went up, I think, 200 points after that without making a new low from here. I hope they do an interview with them. Yeah, I wish they. I mean, the thing is, you might think you're gonna learn something from like a strategy. You're not gonna learn, you know. So I want to know just like overall how he trades, not to copy him. And I don't care about the strategy. I want to know how he trades, right? How does he manage such big P&L? Does he trade a lot of size? Does he hold trades long? That's the stuff I want to know. Not the details about the strategy, because I don't, you know, that's, you're never going to be able to replicate that. But seeing someone make that kind of money in such a short time in a very consistent way, you want to know, do they scalp? Do they trade a lot? Do they trade a little? Is it one trade a day? Right? Is it one trade a day and they just hold and add the winners or whatever it is? Yeah, how does he hold, you know? But they're not going to tell you exactly, like, they're going to tell you what's right to say. I was told that he does trade ICTs. That's why um I'm not worried about the Tanya trades ICT. She doesn't make $2 million in a year or in a short time. Tanya's not even above me in payouts on Apex, right? So ICT has nothing to do with ICT. It has to do with how is he manage the trades? Like, what size is he using? What's his, like, does he even stop out or does he not stop out ever? Because I feel like every day he's green. You know, once he has plenty of cushion, maybe he just knows how to work out of a trade when it's losing. I mean, there's so many questions I would ask him. You could get some good things and take away his overall understandings on certain things. Exactly, Creed. That's what I would want to know. What instrument does he trade? That's a good question as well. I mean, most likely it's ERS or NQ, but can you watch him live for a few weeks? Who? I don't think he has a. I think that Lanto has a stream or service, but not Kane. If I'm not 100% sure, but But yeah. No, I'm talking about Kane, Trader Kane from, I mean, I don't know if that's him. I'm talking about Trader Kane from Twitter that made $2 million on Apex. After the 10%, he got $1.9 million. Pretty wild stuff. If you believe this, you have some magic beans to sell you. See, people are so, oh man, people are so jealous of success. It's crazy. Not even jealous. Jealousy is good because when you're jealous, that means you want to get there too, right? Being jealous of someone and their success, like I'm jealous of his success. So I want to know how he does it, what he does. You know, I want to be, because he made, like I made 20% of that, right? But it took me 8 months. He did it in like 50 days or something, 55 days. I mean, he had $1 million day. So I don't want to be as good as him. I don't think that's even possible. But there's a few things I would want to learn, and jealousy means that you want to be, you're looking up to it. You want to get there. You want to learn from them, right? That's jealousy, in my opinion. I don't know if that's true or not. That's how I feel. Versus when you're envious, then you want to hate. I can't have that, so why is he doing so well? I hope he fails. That's the type of thing that most people think jealousy is, right? People can't admire someone else's success if they're not successful. They don't look up to it as motivation. They look up to it as, you know, I can't do it, so it's not fair, and this person's fake or whatever. No, Creed, he had those were one account, right? That was one set of accounts. Like he made $2 million of one set of accounts. I don't know if that probably wasn't his only account ever, but he made that much from one set of accounts. Um, and I'm missing this move, but see, this is one set of accounts. Oh, here you go. Even shows you his accounts. Yeah, so his second batch of accounts. He blew the first 10, and this is his second batch. Amazing. Impressive. All right. How is this market doing this? People are getting killed today. Oh, so there's something that he has. I wonder how many people are in there. That's gonna be his second million, the fastest million. That's gonna be even faster than Finish trading. Actually, no, because he made $1 million in a day. That is not including the payouts to get there from those accounts. That is correct. He made 2.2 million. I have the spreadsheet. He made 2.16 million. So he just got 1.8 and now he's at 216, 2,166,000. So he had to make close to what I've made prior to that. I mean, you have 2 million and you have 500,000. That's only a quarter of as good, but that's still amazing. Like Jeremy with $500,000 in 3 months. I mean, that's insane. Emil, 300,000. Yeah, so these are more like, but you see, like top 10, you're 160,000 in 3 months. It's a crazy difference between Kane and everyone else. I mean, to strive to be as good as him is really, there's no point of that, right? He's just that good. What's going on with the market? I have no idea. It's playing a game right now, and definitely got to be careful buying the lows. I mean, selling the lows or buying the highs for sure. Just gotta see. Is this the dip or is there another dip after this dip? I'm not liking this too much. Come on. I have some bad luck. Jeez. Last 2 trades, huh? Maybe 15 ticks is just too much of a target for scalping. Because I'm getting 10. But I can't get 15. You got to be kidding me. Oh, what a frustrating market. This market is so frustrating. Yesterday was thing of beauty, and today is the total opposite. I swear to God, if this just explodes now, it's gonna piss me off. Hopefully, it just falls apart. We'll buy the lows again. It's just so whippy. It's you would think getting 15 ticks would be nothing, but wow, Catalina, look at you. Did I blow any? Yeah, I blew one. Coolant flush on the card, Catalina. That's impressive. Have my viewers dropped since this new backdrop? No. Views have been the same. It depends on what time frame I'm on. If I'm trading in the morning or if it's afternoon. Rhythmic issues? No. Not on my end. I have mental issues. That's that's about it. I'm not in my, I do have a Bullnox account. I have not touched it yet. Actually, is it active? I don't know. Let me see. Let me log out of Bullnox, log back in. Are you kidding me? What's going on with the 15 ticks? I think I'm gonna switch it to 10 ticks. Really think I'm gonna switch to 10 ticks after this trade. I don't understand. I don't understand. This market's moving 22 points a minute. And it won't give me my oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. That is not what I wanted to do. Damn, these accounts are gone. This doesn't bounce. I wanted to add 1, not 3. I think I'm gonna call it a day after this. Not a day, but at least cool off a little bit. I'm not reading the market at all. I might actually lose these accounts and then what to do after that. If I lose on these accounts, we're going back to... Oh, God. I was up $351 on these accounts. But again, what's going on with the 15 ticks? I got 13 out of 15 ticks there. All right, guys. I am done for the day. All right. I'll see everyone tomorrow. I am only going to be trading the 5-minute opening range trade moving forward. Okay. I'm sorry, but nothing's working. 5-minute opening range trade is the only thing that I'm going to rely on. See if we could survive for the rest of the year. Scalping is just not it. Bottom tick again. So I'll see everyone tomorrow. I'll be on at 9:30 tomorrow, maybe even 9:25. And I'm just gonna trade the open. We're gonna hang out. We'll do a giveaway. And that's it. No more trading for me for quite a bit. I'm gonna stay off this keyboard. I am getting burnt out. Not feeling good. Not feeling motivated. So I think the 5-minute opening range trade is gonna be the only thing I'm gonna trade for a little bit and try to recoup, because right now the bottom ticks, the top ticks. I mean, I was just up $300 on these accounts. Should have been moving to a new set of accounts. I didn't. But yeah, speaking of Bullnox, I was not able to connect to Bullnox right now. Why is this bottom taking bull crap just keep happening? I'm using way too much size, obviously. But yeah, I can't connect to Bullnox. I'm not sure if you guys have the same issue. Mass destruction again. All the accounts are not gonna. I need to get at least this account to pay out, and yeah. Sorry, guys. I am failing completely, so I gotta just slow down and just focus on something that's been working, and maybe this is going to be the goal. Try to get to as many funded accounts as possible and try to hope that the 5-minute opening range trade works for 4 or 5 days in a row. If it works for 4 or 5 days in a row, then we have enough cushion to take some losses and I could still get some big payouts. But I'm going to take the time off, relax. I'm super stressed about Saturday now because I got an email from a bride that we can't set up our equipment till after their ceremony, which gives us only an hour after ceremony to set up our equipment, and I'm already short staffed, so it's already a mess. And yeah. All right, guys, take care. I love you guys. Hopefully things will get better. If not, at least we got each other. So we'll continue fighting. And yeah, I mean, just brutal overall for me. But at the same time, this is what most people struggle with. This is what most people go through. So I'm not gonna pretend like, this is the end of the world, because this is trading. The only thing that I must say, it's been on my mind for the last 2 months, is that I should fund a stock account and go back to stock scalping. On the side, of course, with futures. That's something that's been on my mind, just to be a little bit consistent. I'm not gonna make a lot in trading stocks, but I feel like I'm gonna be more consistent, and it's gonna be fun. But I don't know, because now I would be using trading profits to trade stocks versus using my DJ money. So it's kind of like, why not trade top step with my opening range? I did trade on top step. I took a loss today. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. My desk is coming in tomorrow, so tomorrow's gonna be a short stream. The desk is gonna come in. I'll work on my office. Maybe I'll stream during that as well. Just do like a non-trading stream, which would be pretty cool to do. But yeah. All right, guys. Too many bottom ticks. I'm not gonna scalp anymore. If the 5-minute opening range trade is not the only way I'm trading, I am gonna go back to what was working in July, which was the 30 tick stop loss, 50 tick target. Because at least then I can't blow up, and it's gonna be fine. I mean, if I stuck to 10 ticks instead of 15 ticks, I was down today on the day, so I went for 15 ticks. If I stuck to 10 ticks, I would have not lost on a single trade. Every trade I lost on today, besides the obviously during scalping, has been because of 15 ticks. Very painful. We only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 PAs left out of 14, and they're not in good standing. They're in terrible. Besides, I have 4, 5 out of 8 in good standing, and 3 are in bad standing. All right, guys, gonna definitely try to what happened today with the 5-minute opening range trade. That was probably the kicker of all things. Look, bottom ticked me, and then it just reversed. Like, it's just been a brutal day. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Luckily, there's no risk financially with these accounts. That's the only thing I could say is, for me, there's no risk. Otherwise, I would be putting the brake on this. I would be trading 1 or 2 accounts only until I got payouts. If I was bleeding like this at this pace with no previous payouts, I would be pressing the brake pedal extremely hard. But day trades, copy scalp 10 ticks. Well, what if I lose on 10 ticks? If I go for 10 ticks, it's gonna give me 9 ticks. All right, guys. At least it's an early day. Gonna enjoy. Probably gonna go to IKEA, see if I could grab a couple things for the room. I will not be able to move back yet because I don't have the wall panels. I don't know when they're coming in. Oh man, this is brutal. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. No, that was not for the opening. That was scalping. What about my trap? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna. My trap is good. It's just it doesn't happen often. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be on earlier, probably 9:25 or so for the 9:35 trade, and then I'm gonna be doing just that trade, nothing else. I'm not touching the mouse tomorrow. Besides that, win or lose. And yeah. Sure, no, it has nothing to do with that. It's the price action, and I'm not reading it correctly. And I only do well in bullish markets. I don't do good in anything else. I mean, the volatility is huge. Now the volatility is dropping, but too late now. The only thing is I gotta flip these accounts, because if I don't flip these accounts, I can't even get a payout. Oh, thank God I remember that. That's the biggest problem, is now I'm against pressure with time. I'll just flip micros. I'm not gonna trade. I'm gonna do the opening trade on it, the 5-minute opening range trade on it. All right, guys, signing off. Adios. Hit the likes on your way out. Appreciate you guys. I feel much better now. Again, you guys helped me with tilt. I don't tilt. I took my losses. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not upset about the losses from today because again, someone mentioned bad days happen. It's not about that. For me, what I'm upset about is how am I gonna continue and get better, right? That's what I'm thinking about. So today is just a little bit of a blip on the radar, but moving forward, I need something, right? I need something of substance. So hopefully the 5-minute is gonna be the one. But I'll see everyone soon, and yeah, later, guys. This is all J Trades. This is also reason number 77 why I would never go full-time day trading and quit my DJ job. People ask me, you made 300,000. Why do you still DJ? Exactly for this reason. I don't know if I'm gonna get another big payout for the rest of the year, right? I don't know how I'm gonna trade next year. I know I have money coming in from DJing, so I don't have to worry about that. But all right, guys. Later. Thank you.